Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can hide your date of birth on Facebook. So to hide your date of birth, sign into your Facebook account. And here you can see that my date of birth is not visible to no one under personal details section. So to make it visible to public, either you can click on this pencil icon to go to personal details, or you can go to personal details under about section. Here you can see the lock sign on both the birth date and birth year. And when you hover your cursor on it, it shows only me, which means that it's visible to me only. And when you click on it, it gives you many options to make it visible to any of the audience. Remember, if you make it visible, it may appear in feed, on your profile, in search results, and in Messenger. Anyhow, let's say select public, which means anyone on or off Facebook will be able to see the birth date under my profile, and then click on save. And here you can see that the lock sign has changed. Now go to your main profile page and refresh it. And here you can see that the birth date is now visible under my personal details section. And since I've selected public, it will be seen by anyone who is on or off Facebook. Anyhow, I don't want to show it to no one, so I'm just going back to personal details and changing it back to only me. And here you can see that it's not visible to no one anymore. And this is how you can hide your date of birth on Facebook. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.